I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete a video from your YouTube channel using the YouTube Studio website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to studio.youtube.com, and then sign into your YouTube account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your YouTube Studio home screen. Step 2. Click Content in the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of all of the YouTube videos you've posted to your account. Step 3. Find the specific video you want to delete from your YouTube channel in this list and then hold your cursor over that video to see a menu. Step 4. Click the vertical ellipses in this menu and then click Delete Forever in this menu. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete this video. Step 5. Click to check the box indicating that you understand that deleting this video is permanent and that you understand that you'll lose access to all audience and analytics for this specific video. Step 6. Click Delete Forever. That video will be deleted from your YouTube channel immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.